Hello， 大家好，我係 Koach， 歡迎嚟到教育無限。我有超過20年高等教育研究同埋教學嘅經驗。喺呢個頻道，我同你分享教育、心理學、語言學習同埋個人成長嘅議題，幫你做好準備，迎接未來嘅挑戰。如果你想掌握最實用、最有深度嘅教育同埋心理學資訊，記得訂閱，仲可以撳埋個鐘仔通知，咁就唔會錯過每一條新片啦。喺2024年2月尾，距離而家啱好1年啦。我係聽到一位喺英國嘅香港 KOL 好奇怪咁樣撈亂咗 present 同埋 present 兩個字，於是就挑起我條筋做咗2集嘅 Homographs 啦。點知啱好1年啦，我喺上個星期呢，又聽到同一位 KOL 又係讀錯咗呢一出嘅荷里活電影名，顯然佢唔係口誤，而係一個認知嘅盲點啦。所以希望同大家再一次分享1連2集嘅 Homographs。OK， 去片。1連2集介紹嘅呢係叫做 Homographs， 靈感來自我有一次聽到一位 KOL 講1994年一出由 Harrison Ford 主演嘅電影，咁可能係因為佢直播一時口誤嘅關係呢，佢就讀咗呢出戲名為 Clear and Present Danger， 當然戲名應該係 Clear and Present Danger 啦。點解叫做辣手單詞呢？呢啲 homograph 嘅英語字呢，佢哋嘅 spelling 拼寫係相同嘅。究竟點樣去知道幾時讀邊一個音呢？就完全靠你睇上文下理去了解。咁如果你根本唔知道有2個唔同嘅讀法呢，就好容易出錯啦。Live life 係活着 ，life 係正在發生。We live in a beautiful world。我哋活在一個美麗嘅世界。This is a live broadcast of the event。呢個係今次活動嘅現場直播。Minute minute 係1分鐘，即係60秒啦。Minute 好微小嘅。Wait here for a minute, please。唔該，你等一等啊。The details were too minute to be seen with the naked eye。呢個細節太微小啦，肉眼呢係冇辦法睇到嘅。Object 反對 object 係一件物件。I object to the proposed changes in the schedule。我對呢個時間表嘅改動係反對嘅。The shiny object on the floor was a coin。嗰個地板上面有啲閃閃亮嘅物體呢，係一枚硬幣嚟㗎。Perfect 係具備所有嘅元素。Perfect 令到佢係冇缺陷嘅。He scored a perfect 100 on the test。佢得到滿分100分。She worked hard to perfect her piano skills。佢好努力咁樣去完善自己嘅鋼琴技巧。Permit 係准許 ，permit 係牌照許可證。The city does not permit parking in this area。呢個城市係唔容許喺呢個地區度泊車㗎。He obtained a permit to start building his house。佢獲許建造房屋嘅准許證。Polish 係令到佢閃閃亮有光澤。Polish 係同波蘭有關嘅。She decided to polish her shoes until they shone brightly。佢決定將對鞋一路擦到好有光澤。He is studying the Polish language at the university。佢喺大學學習波蘭語啊。Present 係禮物 ，present 係介紹或者展示。I received a lovely present from my birthday。我收到一份好可愛嘅生日禮物。She presented a new project to her boss。佢向老闆展示一個新嘅項目。Produce 係生產 ，produce 係農產品。The company produces electronics。嗰間公司咧係生產電子產品嘅。Fresh produce is sold at the market。個市場嗰度有出賣新鮮嘅農產品。Rebel 係反叛 ，rebel 係叛亂者。The teenager would often rebel against the parents' rules。青少年呢，經常反抗父母嘅規定。The rebels were planning to overthrow the government。嗰啲叛亂分子計劃推翻政府。 Record係錄製一啲信息或者表演 Record 係記錄 She will record her new song in the studio tomorrow 佢聽日喺錄音室嗰度會錄製佢嘅新歌 He holds the record for the fastest 100-meter sprint 佢係100公尺嘅紀錄保持者 Recreation 係休閒活動 Recreation 係重新去創造 Swimming is one of her favorite forms of recreation 佢最喜歡嘅休閒活動呢係游泳 The recreation of the historical event was very accurate 嗰件歷史嘅案件重演呢係做得好精準 Refuse 係拒絕 Refuse 係廢物She refused to comment on the matter. 佢拒絕對呢件事發表評論。The refuse from the factory was toxic. 嗰個工廠排出嗰啲廢物呢係有毒㗎。Relay 係傳達 Relay 係接力賽。He related the message to the rest of the team. 佢將呢個信息呢係傳達咗俾團隊嘅其他成員。She ran the last leg of the 4x100-meter relay. 佢跑完咗4×100公尺接力賽嘅最後一段路。Resume 係重新開始 Resume 係履歷 The talks will resume tomorrow. 聽日呢將會繼續會談。She submitted her resume for the job application. 佢為求職申請遞交咗履歷。Row 係划船 row 係爭吵 They had to row their boat against the current 佢哋要逆流咁樣去撐船 There was a loud row in the street last night 琴晚街上邊發生咗好激烈嘅爭吵 Separate 係分開 Separate 係獨立They decided to separate the recyclables from the trash. 佢哋決定要將回收物同埋垃圾係分類。This issue is a separate matter that needs to be discussed independently. 呢個問題呢係一個單獨嘅議題，需要獨立去討論。Sewer 係排水管 ，sewer 係縫紉師。The city cleaned the sewer system. 城市係清理咗地下嘅排水系統。She is an excellent sewer and makes her new clothes. 佢係一個好優秀嘅縫紉師，佢會自己做衣服㗎。Sow 係播種，sow係母豬。It's best to sow the seeds in early spring. 最好呢係喺早春嘅時候播種。The sow has a little of piglet. 嗰個母豬生咗一竇嘅小豬。Subject 係主題 ，subject 係強加嘅一啲事物。The subject of today's meeting is company policy. 今日會議嘅主題係公司政策。The ruler would subject his people to harsh laws. 嗰個統治者呢會強加喺佢人民一啲好嚴厲嘅法律。Tear 係撕裂 ，tear 係淚水。Be careful not to tear the document. 你小心啊，唔好撕爛嗰個文件啊。A tear fell from her eyes. 一滴淚水喺佢嘅眼度流出。Wind 係翹捲 ，wind 係風。Wind the yarn into a ball before you start knitting. 你喺開始編織嘅時候呢，要將嗰啲線捲成一個球狀。The wind rustled the leaves in the garden. 風吹到花園裏邊嘅樹葉沙沙作響。Wound 係受傷 ，wound 係上鏈嘅過去式。The soldier was wounded in battle. 士兵呢喺個戰鬥之中受傷。Old-fashioned clocks have to be wound. 一啲舊式嘅鐘錶需要上鏈。多謝你收睇，如果你覺得今日嘅內容有幫助，記得點讚、訂閱，仲可以撳埋通知，咁就唔會錯過未來嘅精彩內容啦。如果你對教育或者學習有咩想法，歡迎喺留言區分享，我會喺未來嘅影片解答你最關心嘅問題。 我哋下條片見啦，拜拜。